Hey guys, today we're gonna make a video on how to make a shrub in Minecraft. Okay, so guys, so let's get started. All you need are armor stands, and then next to the armor stands you need leaves, and then that's all you need. Armor stands and leaves. Very easy. I prefer using oak leaves because they look good. All you need is to put the armor stand and equip the leaves, and then you need to make a little platform so that you can put the armor stands, and then you have to
all you have to do is just equip the leaves. Really easy.
Yeah, like that, and then do it in different angles so that it will look like it's gonna be like a bush, and then when you're done making all the angles, super duper easy, just do it again and again and again and again, and then again. We should make a song about that, about saying again.
Yeah.
Again. Yay! It's very easy when.
By the way, guys, I got a kite from our backyard. We found it on the rocks.
Okay, and then the next pose it's gonna be like that, so watch carefully, guys. There's gonna be different poses from the armor stands.
Dude, how'd you do that?
You have to, okay,
How'd you do that?
and you have to make
Dude, how'd you
tons
do that?
more, do it in different angles so that it's gonna be bushish, if that's a word, bushish, and then it would be easier if you sneak around, and just keep on doing that until you're at the end, which we're not still because it's very tiring to do this, and it's starting to look like a bush, guys. We just have to add a little more leaves, and then now time to add the last one, and then almost done, and then the next pose is gonna be kind of it's gonna be something weird, it's pointing to the sky. It's gonna be like that. And then the next one, just do it again and again, and until you reach the last one. I like to put a mark, a leaf there, so that I will know when I stop keeping and doing it. Okay, and then the last one, not the last one yet, almost there, and equip the leaf. And just do it again and 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 do it again. Okay, and then again and again. That was a lot of agains, right, Seth?
Yes.
And then again, and you are done. Okay, guys, so this is the bush that we have made. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up.
That's close to a grenade.
Please leave a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Bye, guys.